Now, here's probably one of my most favorite big cats. Uh, this animal has the longest teeth compared to its body size, making it a literal modern day saber tooth. Now, this presentation will explore the fascinating world of the clouded leopard, a mysterious wildcat known for its elusive nature and unique characteristics. Notable for its striking cloud-shaped coat pattern, the clouded leopard has adaptations such as strong limbs and sharp retractable claws that enable exceptional climbing skills and ambush hunting. The clouded leopard faces critical threats from human activities, and conservation efforts are essential to prevent further population decline. The clouded leopard is classified as vulnerable by the IUCN. Continued conservation, research, and education are crucial to safeguard its future and maintain ecological balance.